Hello guys, so this week we're still going to be doing a portrait video instead of meeting up for Zoom. I wanted to give you guys the opportunity to have a pre-recorded video. So for today, you're going to need paper, pencil, and an eraser, and let's get started. So first of all, you're going to draw a straight line down the middle of your paper. It'll be easier if you don't use a mechanical pencil. Next, you're going to draw a circle. It took me a couple tries the first time, so it's okay. Soon I'll be switching pencils. I took a video of myself doing it and then I'm just talking over it, just so give you guys a little more personal, not rushed voiceover. So draw a circle, then you're going to make a mark where the half point is in this circle, and then you're going to cut that section in half again. Draw a straight line out from each one of the points. From the top, bottom. Then you're going to mark each one of these 1/4, because we broke the whole circle into quarters. Now from this line, which is 3/4, measure that and bring it down. Here, I do it with my other hand so it's easier to make the mark. 1/3, bring it down, make a mark. This is going to be your second smaller circle. Just like in the first video when we made an egg shape, this is a review / a little bit of a more advanced way to do it. Last week I wanted you guys to get the idea of how the face is broken up before we moved into this one. Make a circle. Try to make it as, equal of a circle as you possibly can. Now we're going to break these into halves. 1/2, 1/2. We're breaking this whole face. It's going to be a face, of course. We're doing portraits. We're going to break it into half. Now we're going to make a line at the top. We're going to start labeling everything. This is the line where the hair is going to go. Your hairline right here, up here under my bangs. This is going to be the center of the bigger circle. This is where the eyes will go. End of the nose, right here. And right now we are marking the half point of the small circle, not half point for the whole thing. We need to find the half of the small circle. So that's what you'll see me labeling right now. Mark that lips. Now we're going to connect the big circle to the small circle, and this is how we get our egg shape. I made a little bit too pointy of a chin, but I'll fix that later. Now, from each side of the face, sides of the face, you're going to draw a straight line down. This is the half mark for the face. 1/2, 1/2, so 1/2, 1/2. Now make a mark on the eye line, 1/2, 1/2. It should mark down to that line down below. Right now I'm just double checking my notes. Make that half point, half point, I'm correcting. Make sure to double check your lines. Erase where you need to. I'm not perfect. I make mistakes too. Half point. Now you're going to divide each one of those. If I remember right, yep. So that would be quarter marks. 1/4, 1/4. Or 1/8 actually. It's half, half. Oh no, 1/4. I'm right. Double checking my notes. You're going to draw an eye. Don't get too picky on the shape of your eye. We're going to go into details on how to draw an eye later on. Just get a general eye shape. Don't do a circle. It's an oval. Don't do a circle. Give it a little bit of an eyelid. Now, on the edge of the eye is where the eyebrow should meet up. See? Eyebrow, eyebrow, and then you can draw an eyebrow shape. Eyebrow should not go above the center line of the big circle. And then in between, we should have the length of one eye in between. 1, 1, 1, 1. Now we're going to start drawing the nose. Find the nose line. The nose line should be the bottom of the nose. So you're going to draw a little mark for the nose, and then we're going to give it each nostril line. Center line, draw the dip, and each nostril. I'm just right now getting the general shape of the nose. Doesn't have to be perfect. Now I'm going to start the lips. Top lip line should be right about here. And go slightly above, slightly below, just in this general area. See, we don't have that much face in between. Everyone's is different, of course. So later on, depending on who you're drawing, it might differ. So now what we're doing is we're marking the half point of the small circle. So big circle or small circle, find the center line, half of that. Not half of the big circle, half the small circle. Draw a line. That should be right edge of the lips. It's a little funky at first, but I go back and I fix it. We're getting this shape. Make sure to look for this shape. And the lips kind of go up on the bottom. Just the slightest. Everyone's is different though. Now we're going to give this head a little bit more of a shape because everyone's kind of goes in a little bit, out, down, goes in a little bit here. Mine's not perfect, yours won't be either. Now we're going to draw in that hairline. I gave mine a little bit of bangs or hair going off the side just to give an idea of hair. Now we're going to do the ears. The ears go from about the eye down to the lips. See that? Eyes to the lips. Eyes to the lips on each side. So draw it in. And that's it. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video for today, and I will see you guys later. Enjoy!